Some Gambian fruit brethren, so them call them kaba, you know. Yeah. Ah, that one the big.
We call it cover, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You hype it.
Bring the leaf them, man. Them leaf them must can boil tea.
Yeah.
Cause once the fruit can eat, the leaf can boil tea.
This one is when is it? You will make it like this.
Oh.
You'll have red things inside.
Oh, it comes out.
Let me show you another one. Let me don't understand. It's not yet the bud.
You know, it kind of look like, yeah, kind of stir up a thing. Oh, you see what I tell you, man? It kind of look this, yeah, it kind of.
So you have this
inside.
you eat them when it's sweet, but it's not yet.
Right, I can see, yeah. Yeah.
You call it kaba.
See it? Yeah.
When a lot of people know this is too much here.
Yeah.
They will come and
yeah, if we have a bag, we can take them on.
No, why? This is money.
But them one not ripe. Them one look like them ripe. That not ripe?
Yes, it's not yet there, but
it's almost.
It's big one. All this one.
Yeah.
For us, when the milk is coming out, we usually
yeah.
So stop it.
Hi.
It's a kaba.
Yeah.
It's a kaba too.
Yeah.
You have how many kabas?
Yeah.
With mango.
Yeah.
It's another mango. So.
Yeah. Put them for ripe, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Just pass, we don't see this.